Welcome back, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of sweet potatoes, not just because of their delectable taste and versatility in the kitchen, but also for a compelling reason that might surprise you: their potential role in cancer prevention. Have you ever wondered if the food on your plate could be a powerful ally in the fight against cancer? Well, it turns out the humble sweet potato might just be one such hero. So grab a seat, maybe a sweet potato snack, and let's uncover the fascinating connection between sweet potatoes and the prevention of cancer. Before we explore the potential cancer-fighting properties of sweet potatoes, let's start with a nutritional deep dive. These colorful tubers are not just a feast for the taste buds, they pack a punch when it comes to essential nutrients. Sweet potatoes are a rich source of vitamins and minerals, making them a nutritional powerhouse. A single serving can provide a substantial amount of your daily recommended intake for key nutrients. They are particularly known for being high in vitamin A, vitamin C, and manganese. Vitamin A, in the form of beta-carotene, is what gives sweet potatoes their vibrant orange hue. Beyond the more commonly known vitamins, sweet potatoes are also a great source of dietary fiber. Fiber plays a crucial role in digestive health, promoting regular bowel movements and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. A healthy gut, as we know, is linked to overall well-being. The carbohydrates in sweet potatoes are complex, meaning they release energy gradually. This makes sweet potatoes an excellent choice for sustaining energy levels throughout the day. Whether you're an athlete or someone looking for a steady energy source, sweet potatoes have you covered. As we venture deeper into the health benefits of sweet potatoes, our focus shifts to the superheroes of the nutritional world: antioxidants. Sweet potatoes are not just a tasty addition to your plate. They might be wielding a powerful weapon against cancer. Antioxidants are compounds that combat oxidative stress in our bodies. Imagine them as the defenders of our cells, working tirelessly to neutralize free radicals. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body. Persistent oxidative stress has been linked to various diseases, including cancer. By providing a rich source of antioxidants, sweet potatoes may play a crucial role in reducing this stress and, consequently, lowering the risk of cancer. Studies suggest that beta-carotene, found abundantly in sweet potatoes, may have specific anti-cancer properties. It's been associated with inhibiting the growth of certain cancer cells and even inducing apoptosis, a process where damaged cells self-destruct. While research is ongoing, the potential of beta-carotene in cancer prevention is indeed promising. The good news is that enjoying the antioxidant benefits of sweet potatoes is deliciously simple. Whether baked, mashed, or roasted, incorporating this nutrient-packed vegetable into your meals not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also provides your body with a formidable defense against oxidative stress. While the orange-fleshed sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, there's more to the sweet potato spectrum. Purple-fleshed sweet potatoes contain anthocyanins, the same antioxidants found in blueberries and red cabbage. These compounds have been linked to anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer effects, adding another layer to the cancer-fighting potential of sweet potatoes. In addition to beta-carotene, sweet potatoes are a good source of vitamin C, a vital nutrient for a healthy immune system. A robust immune system is crucial in defending the body against various diseases, including cancer. What makes sweet potatoes truly remarkable is the synergy of these compounds. The combination of beta-carotene, anthocyanins, quercetin, and vitamin C creates a nutritional powerhouse that goes beyond individual benefits. As we unravel more about the unique components of sweet potatoes, it becomes increasingly clear why they're earning a spot on the plate for health-conscious individuals. It's crucial to approach these findings with a balanced perspective. While research is promising, it's important to acknowledge that the impact of sweet potatoes on cancer prevention is multifaceted and may vary based on individual factors. The journey of scientific discovery continues, and ongoing studies aim to provide more comprehensive insights into the potential benefits of sweet potatoes. Remember, the journey to well-being is a multifaceted one, and small changes in our daily choices can have a significant impact. Thank you for joining us on this insightful exploration. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health-conscious content. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy.